I would call it just generic fire stove, which is cheap. It does the job, has its downfalls and upholds. Of course, first you're gonna use this type of canister, which is membrane punctured one, if you're looking for the name. The biggest minuses of it would be probably it's leaky. When it's cold, when you start using it, there's like adjustment valve in here, and while it's cold, it leaks through here some gas, so it catches the fire time to time, which is annoying because that knob is made of plastic, which is really flammable easily. For some reason they made it that way. Apart that, it's nice that it has stable platform to keep your pots on, which is good. That really makes it comfortable to use. How do you set it up? So basically there's a cap which does hold your canister in, so you unscrew the cap, take your full canister, you put it that way in, top way in of course, and you screw back on. That's it, it's ready to go. Okay, so I started, it's running, as you can see. I can tell you one big problem about this one. If you are in a cold environment like -5 like today there is, almost impossible to start unless you take it apart and warm it up somewhere. I don't know, like in inside your clothing, to warm it up from your heat of your body, because otherwise it won't gonna start it up. It's butane evaporates in different temperature than butane and propane mix. I prepared like 1 cup of tea in the kettle and 1 liter of water in the pot. So we're gonna start boiling a cup of tea. Let's go. See, sometimes it starts the fire in there, especially when it's cold, which does make it unsafe in some sense to use. Okay, so we got the water boiling inside the kettle and ready to go. 4 minutes 33 seconds. So let's test it. How long did it take to boil a pot of soup? Okay, so we have bad news. Water started to heat up, didn't reach the boiling point, but because it's getting cold, the fire almost went out. This one is not suitable for cold environment. If it's below 5 degrees Celsius above, wouldn't suggest it. Now it's minus, but I tried it as well on a little bit warmer ones and it's still the same shit. For summer it's nice, it's okay, but not for a cold environment, so it's failure. Yeah, now we'll be running on 15 minutes. When you compare to the screw top ones, same size. This one's just slightly bigger, but it cost €10.50. Well, that one is €1.30, so almost 10 times the price. Yeah, so for summer definitely buy this one. And if you're going for long hikes and you need it to be really reliable, then get this and some other stove like farm apple or something in similar wise with screw-on tops or clip-ons. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, so let's continue our experiment to check. Whoa, 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 that's a bit much. It does have some water inside of it, so that's why it was going all nuts. Okay, on the left, see the time. Okay, let's start. That seems the maximum. So there you go, that's the time, almost 20 minutes. The water is boiling, and it's in ideal conditions. It's just not perfect, but for summer it's a good thing to have. Trying to save some money on gas and on stove. See you next time.